Hi, my name is Ryan with Sibme, the #1 platform for video coaching and collaboration. Today, we're going to learn how to use the Sibme app for Android. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is download the Sibme app from the Google Play Store and install it on a phone or tablet. Once you've installed and logged into the Sibme app, you will notice options on the top of your screen. You have access to your private cloud workspace, huddles you are participating in, access to offline videos, your private and secure video storage on your mobile device, and finally, a menu icon can be used to access your app settings. Let's dive right in and record our first video by tapping the Record Video button. On the screen, you will see Max Time, which shows you how much storage you have left on your device to record in the default resolution, SD. You will also see an option to record with the front-facing camera or rear-facing camera, and the option to set a countdown timer to automatically stop recording after a predetermined amount of time. This is useful when recording a classroom lesson, presentation, or skills demonstration. Click the red record button to start recording. While you are recording, you can tap the bookmark icon to help remind you to insert a timestamp comment after recording. You can also pause the recording to help reduce editing time. Once the video stops, either by clicking the Stop Recording button or when the countdown timer finishes, the video will be saved to offline videos on your device and will be automatically uploaded to your private workspace in the Sibme cloud. Tapping the three dots on the right side of the video thumbnail will reveal the following options. You can rename the video, share the video to a huddle, download the video to offline videos, duplicate the video, or delete the video. Let's rename our video. Now, let's tap the video to view the video. By clicking on the Tagged for Comment timestamp, we can add notes to moments in the video that we bookmarked. Clicking on the timestamp will jump directly to the location in the video that contains the bookmark tag. You can also add a new timestamp text or audio comment while watching the video by tapping the blue plus icon. You can also add custom tags and even attach a file to a timestamp comment. You also have the option to add resources from your Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive accounts to your Sibme Cloud workspace or huddles you are participating in by tapping the green plus icon and then selecting Upload Resource. Now, let's share our video to a huddle we're participating in. Tapping on the three dots on the right side of the video thumbnail will reveal the option to share. You can share the video with or without notes to any huddle you're participating in. The Sibme app also allows you to upload from your device's video gallery directly to your Sibme Cloud workspace or to a specific huddle. To upload a video from your camera's video gallery to your workspace, tap the green plus icon and select Upload from Gallery. Finally, you can change your video settings. First, you have the option to change the quality of your recorded videos between SD and HD. Keep in mind that HD has better resolution, so it will also take up more space on your device and take longer to upload. The Sibme app defaults to the SD setting, which is a good balance for both quality and efficiency. Finally, you have the option to turn off automatic uploading of videos to your workspace, and you can disable the app from using your cellular data plan to upload videos, which will avoid data plan charges. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Sibme.